Let's explore text search in MongoDB. We'll focus on implementing basic text search functionality using text indexes. This will allow you to efficiently search for text within your MongoDB collections. Text search is a powerful feature that enables you to perform linguistic searches on string content within your MongoDB collections. Instead of just exact matches, text search understands language and context to find relevant results. Text indexes are essential for efficient text searching. They work by tokenizing and stemming words, which means breaking down text into individual words and reducing them to their root form. This makes searches language-aware. Text indexes also support multiple languages and allow you to define custom stop words, which are common words like the and that are ignored during the search. Here's how to create a text index in MongoDB. To create a text index on a single field, use the command db.articles.createIndex with the field name and the string text. To create a compound text index on multiple fields, include all the desired fields with the string text in the createIndex command. A compound index allows you to search across multiple fields at once. To perform a basic text search, you'll use the $text operator along with the $search operator. To perform a simple text search for the word MongoDB, use the command db.articles.find with the $text operator containing the $search operator with the search term. To search for multiple terms, simply include them as a string within the $search operator, like this, db.articles.find with $text and $search for MongoDB database. MongoDB can calculate a text score for each document to rank its relevance to the search query. To retrieve these relevance scores, use the following command, db.articles.find, include the $text operator for MongoDB, and then specify a projection with score set to $meta, text score. To sort the results by relevance, chain the sort method, sorting by score with $meta, text score. Let's look at some advanced text search techniques. To search for an exact phrase, enclose the phrase in double quotes within the $search operator. For example, db.articles.find, then $text with $search as database query. To exclude terms from your search results, use a minus sign before the term you want to exclude. For example, db.articles.find, then $text with $search as MongoDB SQL. Here are the key takeaways from this explanation. First, text indexes enable efficient linguistic searches in MongoDB. Second, the $text operator is used to perform text search queries. Third, text scores provide a way to rank search results by relevance. Finally, MongoDB supports phrase searches and the exclusion of specific terms from search results. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.